I'm going to show you how to make a Razberi Sunsplash, a wonderfully fruity cocktail. We are going to start off with our ice, just like so. Pour that into your glass, and then we're going to add to that 3/4 of an ounce of coconut rum. Any brand will do, so choose your favorite. You're the one drinking it, and I want you to like it. We're then going to add 3/4 of an ounce of raspberry liqueur, just like so. A wonderful fruity flavor, as is our peach tree schnapps. Also 3/4 of an ounce, so equal parts. Then we're going to add in 2 splashes of grenadine. Uno, dos, like so. And about an ounce of orange juice. Yum. And then we're going to fill it the rest of the way with pineapple juice. So this is going to be so wonderfully tropical. Hence the name Sunsplash. Go ahead and shake it up. And if you have a hurricane glass, great. If not, you can also serve this in a highball glass. Garnish it with a cherry. And there you have it, Razberi Sunsplash. Cheers.